Hello, we have 100 giant pizzas for Max. 100 giant pizzas?
Why are there so many pizza trucks?
Ma'am, we still have 50 more giant pizzas to deliver. The order is for Max. Max, did you order these pizzas? Let's go back.
Mom, I'm so hungry.
Here is my phone, Max. You can order one small cheese pizza.
Only one pizza, Max. Be careful with the buttons.
This is easy. Achoo! Done! That was easy.
That was very fast.
Yay! My pizza's here!
One giant cheese pizza for Max! One giant pizza? Sir, this is only the first giant pizza. The other 99 are waiting outside.
99 more?
Excuse me, sir. I just need your signature before we unload the remaining pizzas. Remaining? Everything is already confirmed and paid, sir.
100 pizzas?
Max, did you invite the whole town for pizza?
I only touched the quantity button, then I pressed confirm.
Oh, that's how it happened. What are we gonna do with 100 giant pizzas?
Let's stay calm. We will find a solution.
Dad, I have a great idea!
Really? What is it, Max?
Let's share the pizzas with all our neighbors and my school friends.
Max, that's actually a wonderful idea.
Everyone! We have free giant pizzas! Please come and enjoy! Did he say free pizza? Enjoy your giant pizza, everyone! Wow! This pizza is bigger than me!
Who wants the very first giant slice?
Me! Me!
Whoa! Max, this first giant slice is for you.
Thank you! I'll share it with everyone. Everyone gets pizza today. Yay! Thank you, Max.
Quiz time. What does delivery mean? Correct. Delivery means bringing food or packages to your house.
This is the best pizza ever.
Sometimes, a mistake can become a wonderful memory. It's the pizza app.
What does it say?
Well, this order definitely deserves 5 stars. Max learned 2 important lessons today.
Always check before you click, and always share with others. Did you learn new English words today? I hope you did, and always remember, check your order before you click. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning English with us.
See you in the next adventure.
Goodbye!